What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the Uverse? Yeah, you see the bike? It's out of the garage. Ain't it amazing? Yeah, that must mean I'm going for a ride. So yeah, I'm going to go meet up with Jake and Mike, and we're going to do a little riding real quick. Let's fold that mirror back down. Eagle-eyed viewers might have noticed I got a Rylo on the back. So yeah, that is a Rylo360. I chose that one looking at all the 360 phones because it came with this adventure case that mounts directly to a GoPro mount, and I think that is going to be a perfect angle. But let's get out and test it. If you guys want to see an unboxing, search for Rylo360. There's got to be 18 billion of them. It's a very popular camera. But let's go ride. These gloves got wet. There we go. If anybody's looking for a top quality glove, I'll tell you what, these Fives, oh man, it's a Spanish company, I think. So comfortable with these exterior stitching. Dude, I love them. They're so soft. They're not quite as comfortable as my Pluses, but sometimes I don't want a full gauntlet. So I grabbed the Fives. Those things have been, these have been so awesome. These are the 5 SF2s. And I kind of like the two reds, you know, so your biker wave really stands out, high contrast. We're syncing. All right, inaugural ride with the Rylo360. And Mike and Jake. And fuck it, let's go have fun. I did put my key in the bike. Good. For those of you at home watching the 360, I will do my best to avoid the front 180 degrees. Ain't nobody want to see that. Well, we're down right now, so we have to go up something. That sounds good. So we'll bail out Morrison. Oh wait, how do we want to go out? Yeah, Morrison to 470 to 285 up. Alright. Or we could just go Kipling to 285 and do it more direct. Nice. Alright, so there's a negative of the Bluetooth that I completely forgot about. So when my bike starts up, if I have already started my music and I'm listening through the Sena to my music, when I start up my bike then takes over as speakers, which my bike does not play music very well. I love the sounds it makes, those, but I really don't like it as a speaker. I've got to say, 0 out of 5 stars on Amazon for the Aprilia Tuono blinker. Tuono factory as a Bluetooth speaker. It's a complete total waste of money. You'll never get it back. It's like $17,500 is way too expensive for a Bluetooth speaker that doesn't work. That's my honest review. Would you agree with that, Mike? I already know Jake agrees. He's laughing his ass off. Well, maybe not his ass off, but... Shut up. She does not sound like a Harley. I just did something like that and the Range Rover just came all the way over and I looked up, I'm like, oh shit! And then when they got all the way over and went into like the next turn, go into that fucking neighborhood just north of me, you know, the passengers all looking at me, all giving me a scowl. I'm like, what, bitch? You cut across 3 lanes of traffic. And I was hooning a little. Shut up. visor. No, my visor sometimes locks completely. Like, I cannot get it out, get it open. But that happens when you're old. Sometimes things just won't go up. You're older than me, Mike. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. What are you? Go home, Hyundai. You're drunk. Oh, I love that backfire. Seriously, Hyundai, go home. You're fucking drunk, dude. I don't like being anywhere around drunk people. I try to get the fuck away from them as quick as possible. Those trips. Oh, it feels so good.